Hello everyone, welcome to my video. In today's lesson, I'm going to show you how to deal with array variable. Well, before we practice our array variable making skill. So you want to create a new array variable. You need to understand what is an array. So for example, if it's a common variable like integer or string, all you have to do to declare variable is write the variable and assign the value. If it's contain double quotation mark, then it's a string, and if it doesn't, then it's a integer. Just like that. Every single variable contains only one value. But what if I want more than just one value? For example, I have a bag, and in the bag I want to put apple, banana, and let's say orange. So if I want to put all these three, so in this variable we have three value. So in one bag I have apple, I have banana, and orange. So there are three values inside a variable. So how to deal with it? How to create that variable? This is not the right direction to write it. I just want to show you what is an array. So that's the basic information about an array. You have a variable and you have multiple value, not just one variable. Not just one value. You have three or more value. So that's how you that is how we use array variable, array data type. Okay, so to declare a new array, we need to create a new variable. Let's say it's a, and write array like this, and put quotation mark. If you want the array in string, you put it quotation mark. So let's say I want apple, banana, and orange. Okay, so I want to put that in my array variable. So just write down apple. Is that the correct way? Or just apple? Or double P? Okay, we'll see the correct way to write apple later. Well, the next one is banana. Okay, now we have the third value, orange. Okay, so this is how you create a new array variable. The name of the variable, and you write this array, and then you give multiple value. The first one is apple with double quotation mark, continue with comma, and then quotation mark. Inside it you put the value, and you just do the same with the next value. Okay, so if you use integer data type, you can just output the value just like this, echo a. Let's see what we have. I'm sorry, you cannot do this with array. So if you did that with array, then the computer will tell you that array to string conversion on line 6. So this is a notification of error. You cannot just echo an array variable because it contains three values. If you want to echo a value, then you need to assign which value you want to output. So this is the first one, the second one, and the third. Okay, so in array we have something that we call index. Okay, so we have three value. Okay, this one the first index, this is the second, and this is the third. But in indexing method we start with 0, so this is the 0 value, this is this first value, and this is the second value, something like that. Okay, let's just do practicing it. Let's practice it. Okay, so I want to create a new variable which contain a value of an array. Let's say I want to output an apple with echo. Then I need to create a new variable and the name of the array value and this, and you give it an index. As I told you before, apple is 0, banana is 1, and orange is the 2. Okay, so I want to show apple, then I write 0, a0, which means this is an array variable and I want to output the first value of the array. Okay, so echo b variable, save it and reload. Now we have apple. Okay, now I want to output banana. Banana is 1, save it and reload it. Now we have banana, and orange is 2, right? It's index 2. So write down 2, save and reload. Now we have orange. Okay, now what if I want to echo output all of the value? So just need to write something like this. C equals A1 and D equals A2. Great. Now we have to create a new variable A, variable E equals, okay, we use double quotation mark, apple, B is A index 0, which is apple, C is banana, is variable A, index 1, and the last one is D. D is the A array variable, index 2, D. Now let's echo the E variable, save it, reload. Now we have apple, banana, orange. That is how you deal with array variable. I think that's all for today. If you have any further question that you want to ask, please go ahead, put it on the comment box. I hope I can answer your question as soon as I can. Well, don't forget to subscribe in this video. Keep watching this channel and this video on this channel. Alright, goodbye, have a nice day, see you in the next video.